Look what I found out in the dumpster!
Holy crap, is that a Juicero?
Juicero.
Juicero.
Juicero. The company sells a $400 internet-connected app-controlled
Juicer. The company raised $120 million.
You can't bring your own fruits and vegetables. You can only juice Juicero's pack.
Bloomberg squeezed one of the pouches with their own hand, and the same amount of juice comes out.
Yeah, dude. How much does this weigh? Wow, 30 pounds. Do you really need that much weight to make juice?
I don't know, man, but let's just try it out.
You guys remember Juicero? They're going out of business.
According to the company's website, they're no longer selling their juice packs. And those proprietary juice packs are the only thing that this dumb smart machine can juice. So we're going to have to hack it by making our own compatible juice packs. Okay, so we just managed to make our own Juicero juice pack, and we drew a QR code for the Juicero to read. What I'm gonna do is place the juice pack inside the Juicero, secure it with some tape, and then...
Dude, that didn't work at all.
Damn, how are people supposed to eat produce without a GPS and Wi-Fi connected juicer? I don't think we're getting enough leverage, but I have another idea. Okay, I present to you the Juicero Juicer.
You've got to be kidding me.
The premise is very simple. At this point, the Juicero is no more sophisticated than a 30-pound cinder block, so we decided to turn it into a gravity-powered juicer, which means we crank it up, throw this lever, and then watch it drop. And David's gonna be our first designated operator. First, we're gonna start with a nice citrus blend. All right, let it rip. 3, 2, 1.
This might actually work. I feel like I'm operating some really crummy circus ride. All right, kids, you're gonna have a great time.
Or a sex rig.
All right, kids, you're gonna have a great time.
David, no. Pomegranate.
Jeez, it looks like a Chipotle bathroom. This is a demonstration of Juicero's corporate trajectory.
How do you think the tomato did?
I'd say it doesn't really stand a chance. I've never really been a fan of mixing tomato with real fruits.
No, that's like putting pineapple with pizza. Only freaks do that.
Yeah, seriously. All right, let's just, All right, well, we have a special occasion. We got plum in the bum. This cable's seem loose. No, I'm not gonna worry about that for now. All right, time to take it right up the plum. In 3, 2, 1. Not too much free juice. Let's see what we can get out of this. We're gonna use the R&D patent pending method to extract even more juice. I think this is something that Juicero considered at one point, but decided that ultimately it didn't fit into their business model.
What exactly does this $400 machine do?
This will be plum al dente. It's like garnish, just right on the top there. Actually, here, let's be sophisticated. Already sauced apple against a Juicero. In 3, 2, 1. This thing's coming apart at the seams. I don't feel safe. It's not really juicy. It's more of a sauce. All our hard work is just gone like that.
I'm so disappointed, David.
What do we even do? We gotta get more juice now to continue the video.
Wasn't that the last?
Well, guys, there you have it. You know, you can spend the time and the energy and the money taking whole fruits and juicing them and throwing away the pulp, or you can just skip all that hassle and waste and eat them whole like they're supposed to be eaten. You know, maybe I don't understand cold pressed juice, because apparently I'm just the guy who spills it everywhere, you know? Maybe you gotta be some kind of juice genius to understand the value of this machine. So, you know, whatever. $120 million. I guess I'll just go fuck myself.
Hey guys, we just wanted to close out and say that we got a little emotional just now, and may have said some things that could hurt some people very deeply. So we just wanted to take an extra minute to make sure that the record is straight and that there's no hard feelings.
It's totally fine if you like pineapple on your pizza. There are a lot of toppings to choose from, and nobody should criticize you for what you want to put on your food. And on a broader note, you should never let anyone criticize your personal preference on anything, whether it's food, entertainment, romance. Our distinct preferences are what gives us such a unique perspective about the world. Every taste has its own merit in some way or another.
Unless you like cold pressed juice, then you're just a fucking idiot.